What you can also do is work around with 2-point and 3-point perspective grid inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, you need to go around onto your, let's say for example, your brush tool right here, and then go to guides. So once you go around over here, you can click on the plus button, and over here you can see that there's 2-point and 3-point perspective right here. So if I were to go around and click on 2-point perspective, this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to click and drag, you can see it is in a 2-point perspective right here. And as you drag, you can see that it is in 2-point perspective. So you can see that this is the line right here. You can keep it wherever you want. And the grid is in 2-point perspective. You can enable and disable out this. You can just go around and zoom out, and you can see that this is the perspective point right here. So you can see that this is the 2-point perspective right here. So if I were to go around, keep this onto the top or bottom, you can see that the 2-point perspective grid works around accordingly. So you can go around and then make, say, let's say for example, make out a box or something like a structure over here on this area right here, just like this. Let me just go around, and then you can see that this is on that particular perspective right here, just like this. So similarly, you can go around over here, and you can see that it is on the perspective on the left side. If I want to work around with 3-point perspective, let me just disable this and create out a new layer. I can go around over here onto the plus button, and we can also go around with 3-point perspective right here. So here you can see that this is like a bird's eye view right here with a 3-point perspective. You can drag around the points right here, and there you go. You got 3-point perspective right here. So let's say you're trying to make something like a building right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z. Like a bird's eye view, and there you go. You can see that this is the perspective right here, just like this. So you can go around, draw out different things right here, as you can see, just like this, and then work around with the perspective right here. You can go around right here and work around with this. So as with 1-point perspective, or while you're working with square grid, you can go around onto the button onto this button right here, and then draw out freely as well. And that is how you can work around with 2-point and 3-point perspective grid inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.